Okay, now it's videoing. Let's hope Mommy doesn't fall in. You ready? You ready? Go get it. Get it, baby. Oh, come on, you can do it. So this is where Robert and I fell. Our leg dipped into the snow and we couldn't get out for like 5 minutes. Let's see if I can get her to go swimming. I know. You ready? Go get it. There she goes. You're a good girl. Hold on, let Mama put the gloves on. What? You're crazy. What? I'm gonna fall in again, Hirsch. That was no fun. You ready? You ready? Here we go. There she goes. Come on, baby. Hirsch, come here. Come here. Hershey, you ready? You ready? Is it too deep over there? Go get it. Come on. Come on. Do you need Mom to come get you? Oh, you're going to be a tired puppy. Did you get it? Good girl. You're such a smart baby. Except when it comes to snowballs. Whoops, I didn't do it very far. Ready? This is what she wants. Whoop. At least now she has some tunnelage. What? Okay. If I come down there, how are we getting back? Okay, Mom's coming. Oh, fuck. What? Uh-oh. No, ma'am. What? What do you think? There's our back porch. That's where the bottom is. That's the snow. There's our hot tub. You make the tunnel. Mom will go. Here we go. So yeah, there's probably good 3 feet of snow or so. Maybe not that much, but yeah. What? You're such a good girl. The fluffiest snow ever. Alright. What do you think? There's the mountain from the backside. That's our mountain of snow. The actual mountain's over there somewhere. Come on, Hirsch. Goodness, I bought snow boots. Oh, over here it's not too bad. What? You like the snow, huh, baby? Go play so I can show Grandma and Grandpa. Go. Go. Where's the ball? Go on. We're supposed to get about another foot tonight. There's a chair out there somewhere. Yeah, tons of fun. Okay, turning this off because she's not doing anything funny anymore.